led to another, so I started seeing them twice a day, and we kind of bonded.
I'd love to believe you, Enki, but they nearly snacked my drone a few times.
You just have to cut your engines to hear them better. And really get what they're saying.
You could also save your tips for your own team, Enki.
Right, well, I better go set up.
She's so sweet. We're lucky to be facing her today.
What's the point of training? We know this course by heart.
My thoughts exactly. So I added some whimsy to the race. A Capri, a robotic version of the world's fastest beetle. Not only must you finish first to win, you must also carry the beetle across the finish line.
How are you supposed to catch that?
Each drone will be equipped with a vacuum to capture and trap the Capri until the end of the race. Ready, droners? And go!
This thing's too slow! Mouse, can you tweak its reaction time?
I'll try, but it won't be very precise unless you make a pit stop.
Lion Lily incoming! Flora! It'll have to pop up somewhere!
What's she doing?
Oh, she's using my trick to listen for Capri's wings flapping!
Where the aqua is that Capri? Enki! Now we gotta snatch it back somehow!
Careful, Cordo! Bumblebee's strong on counterattacks!
Great! Lucky me!
Jelly! Worker mode!
Hey! Not cool!
Bravo!
Some sweet friend you got there.
And talented, too. A great race, Flora!
Hey!
You really got the hang of the vacuum trap!
Thanks, Enki. My parents often use them to transport honey crops.
Oh, I want to hear all about that. Want to grab a bite?
What about us?
I think I ate way too much.
Hey! Huh? Enki's still with Flora? He's gonna spill all our secrets! This is the worst! Ah!
We are not spying on them.
That was fun, Enki. Let's do it again sometime.
Right. Can we go now?
It's a rotten Teach Tech drone!
Hey!
Huh?
The bee's honeycomb? This has got to be a mistake, right? Enki, there's something we gotta tell you.
Me too! I found a way to capture Capri!
Great,
But listen.
I recovered stone pieces from the wall that Maroa hit, and guess what? They're hematite, which is a natural, super powerful magnet. It's strong enough to attract the beetle without damaging it. Awesome, huh?
Bumblebee's shield is our biggest problem. We should find a way to crack it instead.
We could try weakening its force field, but that could damage Flora's drone, which would be bad.
I wouldn't play fair if I were you, especially with a team that's messing with Teach Tech.
What? What are you talking about?
Unfortunately, Cordo's right.
Flora's in cahoots with Teach Tech? Oh, the worst polluter around? That's not like her.
So you'll work on our force field problem?
Yeah. Force fields are great, but I've got a bigger problem to clear up.
Come on, Flora. Just one.
No way! We agreed we'd be careful.
I don't have a piranha in my throat. I just wanted to alert you to my presence.
Oh, Anki, so nice of you to visit.
I was thinking it's been a while, and absence makes the heart grow fonder. So what do you need to be careful of?
Oh, just a little problem with Bumblebee. Actually, this is great timing. Could you take a look?
I could give it a shot. They say I have an eye for detail.
So, the problem is, I'm worried that Bumblebee's a little clogged up.
Yeah. Clogs are great. Easy, I come in, please. Hold up. Did you just control the bees with Bumblebee?
More like communicated with them. That's Bumblebee's main function. Climate change has been disrupting our island bees for a while. They can't even find their hives.
That's terrible.
My parents don't know what to do anymore. Their hives are severely impacted. So I designed a prototype to help the bees find their way. Fuzz and Buzz helped a lot too.
Cool. How does it work?
Oh, it's simple. Bumblebee's guide mode automatically activates whenever it senses bees flapping their wings in distress. Then, it directs them with light signals. There's still room for improvement, though. Magnetic fields can make their system glitch.
You're fighting for a great cause, Flora. I'm, surprised that...
I'm sure you do the same to help your loved ones, too.
Oops, I totally forgot. I have a, aquaponic in 10 minutes. See you later.
He's nice, but kind of weird.
Phew. And I thought I was sneakier than a panther on the prowl. Good idea. There, we're practically invisible.
Winning would be a cinch with the Teach Tech power.
Her story about the bees was so moving.
Hey, Flora, check it out.
What? What are you doing? You all ought to be ashamed of playing with that.
Oh, shucks. We just wanted to test it.
You know Teach Tech wants to buy us out. This is no time to be playing their game.
Okay. We'll pack it up.
They leave me no choice.
Did you work on that all night? A little birdie tells me you found a way to beat Bumblebee.
Actually, my calculations show that increasing the power of the magnet fixed to Moroa by 75 Tesla would not only attract Kepri, but also shatter Bumblebee's force field. All you gotta do is aim the magnet at its target.
Awesome! We'll crush this race with your little gizmo. But will it damage their drone?
Unfortunately, from what I saw, the bees would do anything to win, even teaming up with nasty toads like Teach. We can't let them do that.
You got this, Flora. All right?
Good luck with the race, Inky. And thanks again for your great advice.
Some advice would be better kept for marsh eels.
Eels, is that an expression?
Poor Bumblebee and Jelly, abandoned for Teach Tech.
What are you talking about?
The crab and I saw everything. You and your super drone can win all the races you want without your genie.
That's exactly why I wanted to get rid of that thing. Fuzz and Buzz just had to monkey around in front of everyone.
What does this have to do with a monkey?
Teach has been doing everything in its power to convince my family to replace our bee drones with their tech. They've already given us tons of gifts to make us crack, and they're not giving up.
Oh, you mean the prototype I saw yesterday is a gift from Teach?
Exactly. I wanted to throw it out, but Buzz and Fuzz were too keen to try it. But I swear to you, Inky, I'll never follow Teach or their evil schemes.
That's what I was hoping.
There's only one that can save the bees, and you know it.
Bumblebee.
Exactly. Have a great race.
Oro, Drolo!
Wait, we gotta disable Moroa's magnet.
Huh?
Droners, take your paddles! And fair warning, Kepri's feeling feisty today.
It's a little late to switch things up, Enki.
Neptune, release the beast! Ha! And we're off!
I know it's a little late to disable the magnet, but maybe we could avoid using it?
Get your wings out of my face, Bumblebee!
Hey there, ease up a little.
So, Cordo, like I was saying...
Okay, no more Miss Nice, Cordo! Punch it, Oro!
Cordo, wait!
Maximum magnet power! What's happening, Enki?
That? Maybe a glitch.
Looks like the Tikis are struggling to find their rhythm.
Kepri won't make the same mistake twice, Flora. It's already gone.
It's gotta work this time. I'm turning the magnet up to max. What's going on now?
That is a good question. What is going on now?
The magnet must be messing with Mororo. We should ditch it. It's too unpredictable.
Thanks, Enki. Great advice.
Just focus on the Kepri, Cordo. The magnet was only meant to help us catch it.
Oh yeah, monkey rails are very lively creatures.
Jelly, we gotta get rid of him. Just the okay.
Now we just have to stay on course, Oro. Victory, here we come.
Incredible! Team Tiki caught the Capri!
Meanwhile, Team B's drone appears to be having some difficulties.
Oh no!
I don't know what's happening. Jelly, can you hear me?
I hear you.
Guys, Bumblebee's not responding. What's going on?
No idea. We didn't modify anything.
Hey, look here. That looks like hematite.
What's the matter with them?
Our magnet! It was too weak to crack Bumblebee's shield, but it must have jammed his communications. That's a special feature.
What does that mean?
Our system just doomed Bumblebee and Jelly. Flora, do you read me? I have to tell you something.
Are you using hematite? You knew it would wreak havoc on Bumblebee's systems.
How could you betray me like that, Anki? I told you my secrets because I trusted you.
It's not what you think, Flora. I trust you too, but the magnet was originally meant for the Capri.
Anki, if my prototype is destroyed,
I won't be able to make Whale aware of my cause.
Her cause?
Yes, we made a huge mistake. The bees were never in cahoots with Teach Tech.
I can't hear Jelly at all. The glitches put Bumblebee on autopilot. We're doomed.
Flora's been against Teach Tech for ages, and all I've done is throw a monkey rail wrench into the works.
I have no idea how to reboot Bumblebee.
I know. Bumblebee automatically activates when it senses bees flapping their wings in distress.
And how exactly are you gonna find those bees in a swamp?
We'll use Capri. Cordo, you have to release it.
What? Are you bonkers? We got a race to win, remember?
Please. Flora needs Whale's help for her bee rescue project. That's why she's in this competition. She's fighting to defend a cause that's important to her, just like us.
Enki's right, Cordo.
We're responsible for what happened to Bumblebee. We can't just abandon them.
Okay. But how are we gonna use Capri, Enki? Cause last I checked,
A mechanical beetle isn't a bee.
Do exactly what I say. First, turn around and disable the magnet.
Strange. So close to winning, only to turn back.
Mr. Whale, do you read me? I don't mean to be rude.
but I gotta say that Capri's a bit of a pushover today. This is way too easy. Didn't you say it was feistier than ever?
What?
So my Capri isn't speedy enough for you, eh?
I'm just saying, this race would be a lot wilder if your bug flew, I don't know, 200 wing flaps a second?
Very well. Wait till you see this. Neptune, take it away.
That Tiki's got a lot of nerve.
I like droners who take risks.
Listen, Tikis, let Capri loose and good hunting.
Laura, I'm back.
Let's go!
What just happened? Looks like Bumblebee mistook the beetle for a bee and went into guide mode.
It was Enki's plan to modify the Capri's wing speed. What a brilliant idea!
We almost caught it. Thanks, Enki. I was almost getting bored.
Give that back! Come on, Jelly, let's go!
Team Tiki for the win!
We almost had it.
Well done. You fought to the very end, young lady.
Thank you, sir.
You regained control admirably. But I'm curious, what were those light signals that your drone projected?
Shall I show you? Bumblebee is a prototype that I've been working on for quite a while.
Well, she's quite resourceful.
Anki!
Flora, I know what I did is unforgivable. I tried everything to avoid using the magnet, even activating aqua mode, but it wasn't enough. I understand if you don't want to hang out anymore. I'm worse than an eel. No, a spineless sea slug.
Anki, you made a mistake, that's all. You sided with your team instead of me. I'd have done the same.
Really? Thank you, Flora.
Well, I should be thanking you. You helped me draw Whale's attention to my prototype. He seemed really interested. Thanks, Anki.
So, you sabotaged Mororo right in the middle of the race?